Hey guys, we're here at Union Lake, New Jersey, down in Millville, and we're testing out the 1975 7.5 horsepower Mercury outboard. This is one of a few lakes in New Jersey that you're allowed to run a gas engine in, and this place is just gorgeous. If you're local and you've never been here, you need to come here. Not allowed to have anything bigger than a 9.9 though. This is just in one of the little coves here. We are in the 95 10-foot low John boat, and we're going to show you how good this little Mercury runs on it. As you can see, purrs like a kitten, and it gets this thing moving with me, and I'm 235 pounds. This boat goes probably 16, 17 miles an hour. That was verified on my GPS. And here we go, reverse. The lock does work, so it doesn't lift up. Back into neutral, back into forward. Thing runs real nice. Thanks for watching.